Some mango habanero chicken. There's chicken. There's mango and habanero. And some purple potatoes. So let's get it. Just gotta figure what the heck I'm doing. Let's see. I don't know. Guess I gotta cut the mango and the habanero first and do that. I don't know if that's how you do it, but cut them in slices and it's a whole ass mango. Guess I could do it with this too. Mango action. I would get this little ass knife. This weak ass, trick ass knife. Skin it. Oh. Man, this one's like super ripe. Oh, this will taste good. Just blah blah blah. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. There we go. It's not. Dang, look at all those juices. Juices flowing. Mango juices. Black. 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 I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's get the habaneros. Little habaneros. Should have gotten this many. Oh, it's not so hot. Make it hot. What's that? Drop it like it's hot. Seeded them a little bit. I'm gonna take some of the seed out so it's not too crazy hot. Okay. Dang. Why is it so heavy? There's a mango, there's a habanero. I'm gonna put some lemon juice because you gotta mix that sweet and that sour so it's not too sweet. And let's get it going. I got the power. Hey. Ooh, that aroma right there is blam. Alright, hopefully this comes out. So I got some chicken breast. I'm gonna make some chicken breast, mango habanero, or rosemary mango habanero. I like that rosemary in the chicken. Let's see. So yeah, when I cut them habaneros, I think I got some on my hands and I touched my face. Now I'm burnulating. My face is burnulating, but it's cool. My poor face. Ooh. That look good though, at least? Just kidding. I just like drown myself in water. I got this McCormick rosemary chicken. I'm just gonna add it. It already has spices to it. Yeah. I might as well get the spices going. It has salt, onion, rosemary, and paprika. Then I can add minced garlic. A little seasoning. I guess it kind of has already a lot of seasoning already in. I guess I could put some pepper. Woo! Alright. Mix it in there. So this comes out. All the seasonings all in it. You gotta smack that ass. Smack that ass. This has a lot of flavor in it. Oh, my face is so hot. Oh, I think I'm just wiping more. Whoa, those are cool. They're purple. Just like my shirt. Ooh. Purple potatoes. That's cool. It's glistening. Yeah, I was thinking. Just put in for like an hour. Put some rosemary, Hawaiian salt, olive oil, and total seasoning. That's what those big old crystals are. That's Hawaiian salt. And just mixed it.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.